Your 25-year warranty doesn't cover what you think. I read 50 warranty contracts from major solar manufacturers. Here's what solar companies hide in the fine print and how to protect yourself. If you're considering solar, subscribe right now. I expose the tricks companies use to avoid honoring warranties. This could save you thousands. Solar panels come with 2 warranties. Most people don't know this. They hear 25 years and assume everything is covered. It's not. Understanding the difference between product warranty and performance warranty is critical, because when something goes wrong, you need to know what's actually protected. Let me break down what these warranties actually cover and, more importantly, what they exclude. First warranty type, product warranty. This covers manufacturing defects and panel failures. Most manufacturers offer 10 to 12 years. Some premium brands offer 15 or 20 years. What does product warranty actually cover? If your panel cracks, if the junction box fails, if internal wiring breaks down, if the frame corrodes, these are manufacturing defects. The manufacturer replaces the panel. But here's what product warranty does not cover. Damage during installation. That's the installer's fault, not the manufacturer. Whether damage from hail or falling trees, that's your homeowner's insurance. Improper maintenance, like letting debris pile up, that's on you. I reviewed warranty claim denials from Better Business Bureau complaints. The most common reason for denial? Installer damage. The manufacturer says the panel was fine when it left the factory. Damage happened during transport or installation. That's not their problem. Real example. A homeowner in Arizona had 3 panels crack within 2 years. They filed a warranty claim. Manufacturer denied it. They said thermal stress from improper installation caused the cracks, not a manufacturing defect. The homeowner was stuck with a $1,500 repair bill. Here's the second warranty. Performance warranty. This guarantees your panels will still produce a certain percentage of their original output after 25 years. Most manufacturers guarantee 80 to 85% output at year 25. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. You have to prove the panels are underperforming. The manufacturer won't just take your word for it. How do you prove underperformance? You need production data from day one. You need to account for weather variations, soiling, shading changes, snow coverage, system downtime. Most homeowners don't have this level of documentation. According to Reddit discussions, some solar owners filing performance warranty claims around year 10 noticed their systems producing roughly 15% less than expected, supported by monitoring data. In many performance warranty cases, manufacturers send inspectors to verify underperformance. Common reasons for denied claims include shading from tree growth or debris that wasn't present at installation. If shading, not panel degradation, is found, claims are often rejected. Performance warranty also doesn't cover inverter failures. Inverters have separate warranties, typically 10 to 12 years. If your inverter dies at year 15, your panel performance warranty doesn't help you. You're paying $2,000 to $3,000 for inverter replacement out of pocket. Third warranty issue. Installer workmanship warranty. This covers installation quality, roof penetrations, electrical work, mounting. Most installers offer 1 to 10 years. Here's the problem. If your installer goes out of business, your workmanship warranty is worthless. And solar installers go out of business frequently. I analyzed business registry data from 3 states. About 30% of solar installers that opened between 2015 and 2020 are no longer in business. That's a high failure rate. If your installer goes bankrupt and your roof starts leaking from bad flashing, who pays? Your homeowner's insurance might cover water damage, but not the repair to the solar installation. You're paying out of pocket to fix the installer's mistakes. How do you protect yourself? Choose installers who have been in business at least 5 years. Check their contractor's license. Verify they have liability insurance. Read reviews from customers 2+ years post-installation. Fourth issue. Warranty transfers when selling your home. Most solar warranties are transferable to new homeowners. But there's a process. You must notify the manufacturer within 30 to 90 days of the home sale. You need to provide the new owner's information. Update registration. Some manufacturers charge a transfer fee of $50 to $200. If you don't transfer properly, the new homeowner has no warranty coverage. I've seen home sales fall through because buyers didn't want solar with no warranty protection. Here's what most people don't realize. Even with a valid warranty claim, approval can take months. Panel replacement can take another month for shipping. Your system is producing less power the entire time. You're buying more electricity from the grid. The warranty doesn't reimburse you for lost production. We've covered 4 warranty traps so far. The next section shows you exactly how to protect yourself from $10,000 repair bills. Hit subscribe so you don't miss these breakdowns. So how do you actually protect yourself? 5 things. 1. Choose Tier 1 manufacturers. These are companies with proven financial stability. QCells, Canadian Solar, Trina, Longi. They're more likely to still exist in 25 years to honor warranties. 2. Get the installer's workmanship warranty in writing. Make sure it specifies what's covered. Roof work, electrical, mounting. Get it signed and dated. 3. Document everything. Take photos of your roof before installation. Take photos during installation. Save all invoices. Keep production data from day one. If you ever need to file a warranty claim, you'll need this evidence. 4. Register your warranty within 90 days of installation. Don't skip this. Many manufacturers void coverage if you don't register. 5. Review your homeowner's insurance. Make sure it covers solar equipment. Some policies exclude solar or limit coverage. You might need a rider. One more thing. Extended warranties. Some installers sell extended warranties for $1,000 to $2,000. Are they worth it? Usually no. The extended warranty duplicates coverage you already have from the manufacturer, or it covers things your homeowner's insurance already covers. It's mostly profit for the installer. The exception. If you're buying from a new installer with limited track record, an extended warranty from a third-party warranty company might make sense. But read the terms carefully. So here's the bottom line. Solar warranties are not as comprehensive as salesmen make them sound. Product warranty covers defects for 10 to 15 years, but excludes installation damage and weather. Performance warranty guarantees output, but you have to prove underperformance. Installer workmanship warranty is worthless if the company goes bankrupt. Protect yourself. Choose stable manufacturers. Document everything. Register warranties. Verify installer stability. Read the fine print before you sign. If you're researching solar, subscribe because next video, I'm breaking down off-grid solar costs. The real number is $60,000 minimum. I'll show you where every dollar goes. What's your biggest concern about solar warranties? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe. See you next time.